Hello again, everyone. It's Dave from 3D Prints and Stuff. To celebrate Mother's Day, I printed out something off of Thingiverse last moment, and I rushed everything. But anyway, I thought the time lapse was really cool, and the finished product is pretty cool. So I'm not gonna make this a long video. So let's just get right into it. Time lapse. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. Here is the finished product. I kind of messed up because I never was really into sanding and finishing stuff. So what I did was I printed this out, sanded it some, not knowing that the higher, or I should say the lower grit is worse, more abrasive than higher grit. It's just fundamentals, I suppose. I guess you learn. Anyway, I ended up screwing that up. I ended up doing some XTC on it also, and then sanded it a little more, and then primed it and painted it. But like I said, it was a rush job, so it wasn't really that perfect. But I think it came out almost looking like, you see the striations in it, but it almost looks like it's made pottery wise. But it's still a crap print. But I think it's okay. And on my printer you could see the underside still don't really work that well. It's still a little tiny rough. And you could see the original on the bottom. It was Maker Geek's translucent, no, Crystal Series translucent blue. Pretty cool color to do something with. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed Mother's Day with your mom or your significant other if you have a kid. Anyway, happy Mother's Day to those moms, or late Mother's Day anyway. Everybody else, don't forget to like, request, comment, don't forget to subscribe, share as a bonus. And until next time, see you guys.